What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I get this blowout hairstyle at home. This has been so requested. Every time I wear this hairstyle you guys always ask me how I do it, so that's what I'm gonna show you guys in today's video. Now I'm not a hairstylist and I'm not even that good at hair, so if I can do it you guys can do it too. So if you want to see how to get this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I am fresh out the shower. I just did my makeup and this is where I'm at with my hair. As you can see, it is starting to air dry a little bit, which is totally fine. You don't want your hair to be too wet for this. Before I show you guys how I actually do my hair, I'm gonna show you guys what products I am going to be using and what you're gonna be needing. So of course you're gonna need a blow dryer. This one is by Remington and it has a couple different settings. I use it on the high heat with the low blow, because if you have it on the high setting your hair is just gonna go everywhere, so definitely keep it on the low. Then you're also gonna need a round brush like this. This one is by GHD and this middle part is metal, so when you heat this up with the blow dryer, that's what makes your hair style last and how it styles your hair. So you definitely want to have one of these brushes. Then you're also going to need some of these rulers. I use these ones because I feel like the hairstyle lasts a lot better and it just has a better hold, so I definitely recommend using these ones. You're also going to need some of these clips to hold the rulers in place. So for the actual products, I'm first going to start off with this oil. This is the Nashi Argan oil and I love this one. I've been using it for like 2 years and I am obsessed. So I applied this one all over my hair, and the reason I love this one is because it never leaves my hair feeling greasy or heavy. Like, I use it all over my hair and it's so lightweight and it really keeps my hair hydrated and moisturized, and I just love it. Next up, I'm gonna use this fiber mousse, which I use again all over my hair. This is gonna give my hair volume and I feel like it also makes the hairstyle last. Then we're of course gonna finish out with some heat protectant. You always want to protect your hair when using heat on it. So I'm just gonna spray this all on my hair and then we are ready to get started. Alright, so our hair is prepped and we are about to get started on the blow drying. And before I go in and start doing the sections, I first just like to go in and blow dry my roots a little bit, because that's gonna make everything so much easier and you're not gonna get any bumps when you put the hair clips in your hair. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. One thing I forgot to mention is that with your blow dryer, you always want to use this type of a nozzle, because not only is this going to control the air so your hair doesn't go everywhere, but as you can see the inside here is metal, so you don't want to touch that on your hair because that's really gonna damage your hair, because this gets extremely hot. So always keep this nozzle on. So when I first started doing this hairstyle, I would start at the bottom and work my way up. But what would happen was, every time I would take a new section from the top, it would get stuck at the rulers at the bottom and it was just a mess. So what I've been doing lately is that I start at the top and then work my way down, and that is so much easier. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna take a section up here and I'm just sectioning with my nail because it's long. So I'm gonna take a section like this and then I'm just gonna clip everything else away. So this is our first section and I'm just gonna split this into two. So I have this old bottle of water that I like to keep on hand, and I just like to spray the sections to make sure that it's damp enough. So what we're gonna do with each section is that we are gonna take the brush and we are gonna go all the way down. We're gonna twist it, make sure that it's laying smooth against the brush so we don't get any like crazy hairs, and it's also gonna damage the hair if the hair is messy. We want to twist it so it's laying smooth. Then we're gonna go up, we're gonna go down, we're gonna go up, and while we're doing this we're gonna keep the blow dryer on it. So I'm gonna do this section and you can just watch what I'm doing. Once my hair is dry, I'm gonna switch to the cool setting on my blow dryer and I'm just gonna blow dry it until it's cool. So now that my hair is cooled down in here, I am going to take out the brush. And as you guys can see, we have this nice shape at the bottom. So we're immediately going to take the roller and we are gonna, this is so hard to do on camera. And we're just gonna roll it in, and that's the first section done. Again, when you put it in this one, you want to make sure that it's laying smooth because the shape it is in is the shape that it's going to stay in. So now we're gonna do the next section, and again I'm just gonna spray my hair with the water, then brush it through, and then going in with the blow dryer. And then once again, when it's dry, I switch to the cool setting and I just cool the hair down. And then I'm gonna take the brush out, then put it in the roller. So now we're gonna do this part, and to be honest, the side parts are so much easier than the top parts, so it's nice to get that out of the way. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take a section, the other one back, and then I'm gonna split it into two sections again. What are they doing outside of my window? I'm sorry if you can hear this. I don't know what they're doing. I think they're blow drying the streets or something. I don't know. So for the side parts, we're pretty much gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna spray the ends with some water. I'm gonna brush it through, and then for the sides, I like to go out and again twisting the brush, and I'm gonna go like in towards my face because that's what I like. You can do it however you like. You can do it outwards, you can do it this way, you can do it to the front, but I like to have this volume at the bottom, so that's why I like to go in towards my face. And again, I'm gonna twist it up, down, and yeah, like I said, we're gonna do the same thing as on top. So as you guys can see, I'm really just repeating the same steps to each section, and I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning it was pretty hard to do. Like, you're gonna feel like you need 4 arms to do this, but I promise you guys, if you do this like 2 or 3 times, you're gonna get the hang of it and it's gonna be a lot easier. So really the only thing you want to keep in mind while blow drying your hair is that it's laying smooth against the brush all the way from the top to the ends. That's really important. And also that you're blow drying it in the direction that the hair is laying. And this is just to get a smooth and shiny result. So that is it for the blow drying. Now I'm gonna let my hair cool down and I'm gonna leave this in for about an hour or 2, and then I will come back to show you guys what it looks like when I take these out. So I will see you guys in just 1 second. Alright, so I am back and my hair is cooled down. I had these in for about an hour. I need to walk my dog now and I can't go out like this. So I need to take them out. Usually I keep them on for a little bit longer, but it really doesn't matter. As long as they are cooled down and dry, we should be good to go. So let's take them out. Alright, so this is the hair after I took the curlers out, and I love it. I love the volume. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was a little bit of bumping like up here, and I just went in with my straightening iron and I just straightened it. Usually I always do my hair at night, so this was a little bit different for me, so that's probably why I had those bumps, because it wasn't fully dry, and usually I dry my hair a little bit more than what I did earlier, so that's why. Now, I'm not a big fan of hairspray and I like the way my hair feels like this, so the only product I'm gonna go in with now is this soft wax by Budgie, and the only thing I do with this one is I take a little bit in my hands and I just kind of work it in, and then I just do this. And this is just going to get rid of any little baby hairs and flyaways and just kind of smooth it out. and I really like the way how sleek my hair looks, because when you blow dry your hair up, it tends to make all the little baby hair stay up. So I just like to do this to kind of smooth it out. But yeah guys, that is all for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Like I said, I'm not a hairstylist or anything, so it's kind of hard for me to explain the way I do things, but hopefully you found this video helpful. You guys have been asking me for a whole year to do this video, and I finally did it. So if you want to leave this video a like and tell me what else you want to see from me in the future, I would love that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!